It's a new life for me, a new birth, and I've come back alive. And there was a point where what I went through, the humiliation within myself, of not, I didn't deserve to be where I was. It was such a major accident. एक हादसा समझ के मैंने उसको मुझे पहले तो यकीन नहीं हुआ. It took me a lot of time to like even accept or digest that what really happened. And then there was a point where I was completely, my system collapsed and I wanted to like maybe just die. I just told God, I think I just kill me. It's better to die rather than burning and getting burnt every day and dying a death. It was like very close to like dying inside. Completely handicapped and seeing your parents suffer the most. So what the biggest pain was seeing my dad and my mom. So yeah, I fought bravely because I knew that my conscience is clear and there was no intent. So firstly, to begin with, I would like to tell you that whatever was written, I've called you all here to meet you all because I've always had your support from day one. Being a woman, I started my career with films like Rustam, be it Holiday Prem Katha, Padman, Pari, things were going very well. And later, then of course, I will take the ownership of having a very laid back attitude or maybe becoming too casual about my paperwork. So 80% of what has happened, the mishappening, has happened because of my own mistakes, which is my paperwork, where I literally left it to the employees. I had a sleeping disorder. I used to wake up very late, like in the afternoon, and just let things just happen, sign. And maybe I was more like a verbal person. I trusted a lot of people, and for me it was like दो लोग बात कर रहे हैं, वो seniors हैं, तो ठीक है जो बोल रहे sign कर दिया. So literally, when the deals happened between T series, there was a blanket deal of Fanney Khan, Patti Gul, Kedarnath, and the same deals happened with Vashu Bhagnani, Vashuji, because he was distributing the films. So there was a slate deal of Kriyaj. So when Rustam happened, those films were with Akshay Sir, Toilet, Padman, and then Pari happened. After that, I should have stopped. Firstly, I should not have really indulged myself and taken so much work. Biggest mistake which people told me, and everybody told me that. No, it's not. And I refused to listen to my family, all my well-wishers, friends. जिन्होंने जो बोला मैंने उसको उल्टा जाके किया. ऐसा नहीं मुझे करना है films. I have the capacity, the caliber. I'll do it. So what happened was I signed my blanket deal with T Series and also with Vashuji, where he took away distribution rights of all my films, where the films had not begun. So that was a point where there was a huge deal which was stuck, and he put in advances and put in money into Kriyaj correctly that he will be distributing my films. So it started with Pari released by Pooja Films. Everything was good between him and me, and so the first payment out of what he had invested had gone to him. So I'm coming to the main point of the accusation of 420, and when a civil matter becomes a criminal angle because of some agendas of some people who created this friction between Vasudev and me also. I'll come back to that a little later. So I was doing Patti, Fanney Khan, Kedarnath. So Pari began. Pari released me and Vashuji moved on to Pramanu. I quit Pramanu and gave my shares to Vashu Bhagnani even then, and there was a amount of 11 crores 50 lakhs which was given to him. Vashuji earned that money. So that means जो उन्होंने invest किया था, तो पहले परी का 3.5 करोड़ plus profit plus उनके पास से दूसरा पैसा भी आ गया था. तो एक सिस्टम था कि पैसा आया है इन्वॉल्व और पैसा जा भी रहा है उनके पास. उसके बाद बीच में एक we knew that Padmavati came in and all my films shuffled. I correctly remember, and there was a collapse of my system because too much happened at the same time. I was dealing with Padman, I was dealing with Pari, I was dealing with Pramanu, and all the other films were getting shot. So there was a huge responsibility at the same time, and being a newcomer, wherever I could, I put all my mind into releasing Padman, being the top priority for me at that point, and Pari releasing. Then so it happened with Kedarnath. So I'll talk about Kedarnath because that's where the FIR happened about my rights being sold and whatever claims and accusations and allegations were put up. So I did believe in Kedarnath firstly. I chose that film. That film was with Balaji already. Now let me clarify that I haven't sold any rights to Ekta Kapoor. She already was the owner of the film. She wasn't making the film, and the film was like kind of just there, and I came into the picture and took Kedarnath offer, and I signed my film with T Series as a producer. So Abhishek Kapoor, T Series and Kriyaj came together and Vashuji was a distributor because उन्होंने पहले ही क्रियाज के साथ डील साइन किया था स्लेट डील कि मेरी हर फिल्म वो ही रिलीज करेंगे. अभी केदारनाथ के बीच में जब पिक्चर शुरू भी हो गई and then lately we got to know that that Sushant maybe doesn't have the dates and I was a producer where I started making films on time and releasing on time. So I learned that from Akshay sir. जो पेपर पे हमने वही चीज़ को फॉलो किया, फिल्म शुरू करें खत्म करें. Later when the film was shot, the first schedule, and later to find that Sushant's dates were not coming through because he had other films to shoot, and then I learned that अभी उनको 6-7 महीना आगे जाएगा, which was like kind of not okay with me. And also I had committed to Abhishek Kapoor very clearly, and I think I'm not being pompous here, but I was good at my work, and I had the capability of making my film commercially viable in terms of selling my films also. Kriaj, in fact, is not a production house, let me clarify. I'm not the producer. Kriaj presented the film like a studio. So the burden of producing and investing into each film, beginning from Rustam, which was a huge film, again with Akshay sir, Toilet Ibn Katha, completely funded by Kriaj. It was Kriaj who got the studio on board. And again, Padman, it was Kriaj who got Sony on board. Sony invested into Kriaj, and Kriaj invested into Cape of Good Films, which is Akshay sir's company, and funded the entire film. And also Pari with Kaita, because for Pari there was no studio. It was Pari completely funded by us. You know, so there is a pressure. You are putting money. Is anybody looking at the losses? Is anybody asking, Pari being a content-driven film, it was a niche film. It was a film which I believed in, okay? But I never made money on Pari. Is anybody looking at my accounts to see where I've lost money, where the money is going? No. When the acquisitions were made, you're talking about 30 crores, 15 crores. Kriaj has already had a turnover of 250 crores. The first 4 films on paper, and I'm ready to share the accounts with everybody in the media. I've got the accounts and I will have that email to everyone. So the intentions were clear, and I was career oriented, I was focused, and never had a mentor. I had big dreams. I wanted to do something, and there are not too many female producers out here. It was always very, very competitive, always when you're looked upon, and it is a male-dominating industry. Let's put it correctly. You know, we spoke about nepotism, we spoke about a lot of things, but it was difficult to handle egos of a lot of people later. So coming back to Kedarnath, Vasudev was on board, and I clearly remember I told Abhishek Kapoor that yes, I will sell the music for 15 crores, and I will do a satellite deal of 35 crores, which I promised him also. I'm speaking the truth in front of the media. Later, I was not able to deliver because Bhushan ji, being the master of music, he just felt that 15 crores was too much, and Abhishek Kapoor was adamant that he wouldn't want to compromise on his music price, which he has set goals for the recoveries also, for the kind of budget we had signed the film for. Later, बहुत churning हुआ, हमने बहुत कोशिश की, and then Bhushan ji and I decided that we will let Abhishek Kapoor take over the film, we will quit, and he could go ahead and make the film. So this is exactly when Abhishek Kapoor was given an NOC by Bhushan ji and me, and he went away, and he met with RSVP. We had nothing to do with RSVP. None of his deals were exposed to us. I have no idea what was a business like, what he did. But the paperwork with Vashu Bhagnani still were remaining. So I was very clear that okay, Vashu ji and मेरा इतना लंबा डील है, तो मैं आज नहीं तो कल कोई और पिक्चर में उनके साथ एडजस्टमेंट कर लूँगी. आई थिंक उन्होंने कुछ 6 करोड़ क्लेम किया था कि उन्होंने एडवांस दिया था. 6 करोड़ इज अ फिगर, एंड आई वाज वेरी क्लियर. एंड द FI वाज समवेयर इन अप्रैल, रिमेंबर, एंड आई रियली थॉट कि ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है. मैंने एंटिसिपेटरी बेल तक मूव नहीं किया. एंड उसके बाद इमीडिएटली वाशु जी मूव टू सिविल कोर्ट एंड इन हाई कोर्ट, एंड ही पुट केसेस अगेंस्ट फनी खान, बत्ती एंड केदारनाथ. सो आई वाज वेरी क्लियर कि ठीक है, सिविल मैटर है, सिविल लड़ेंगे. आई एम लाइक वेरी क्लियरली जो भी पेपर्स प्रोड्यूस करने हैं कोर्ट में आप कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज आपको जो भी कोर्ट फैसला सुनाएगी वो कमिटमेंट पूरा करना है. सो मुझे ना सिविल मैटर है. फिर मैं उसको आराम से भूल के आराम से अपनी लाइफ में अपनी बाकी पिक्चरें मैंने अनाउंस कर दी थी 5 एलिमेंट्स में, एंड 3-4 पिक्चर ऑलमोस्ट शूटिंग के वर्ज पे थी व्हेन दिस होल इंसिडेंट हैपेंड ऑन माय बर्थडे. आई गॉट अ बर्थडे गिफ्ट व्हिच वाज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड, बट मे बी गिफ्ट टू लर्न द हार्ड वे. मे बी कहते हैं ना, मेरा मुझसे बड़ा मूर्ख इंसान शायद पूरी दुनिया में कोई नहीं है. एंड आई एक्सेप्ट दिस क्लियरली इन मीडिया दैट आई हैड luck, I had the caliber, the talent, but I was brainless. I really didn't know how to, conduct myself properly. Such casual behavior, like I was driving the car, I should have been more responsible. That even if Vashu ji was with me, I should have not taken him for granted, thinking it वो ऐसे ही सोचेंगे. हो सकता उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं सोचा. उनको शायद बहुत बुरा लगा हो कि हमने ये पिक्चर क्विट कर दिया है, because he maybe wanted to be a part of Kedarnath, and he thought maybe Bhushan ji के साथ मिलके I conspired against him and I cheated him and gave the film to RSVP. So this was what really happened. And then there was an FIR, and then suddenly one fine day, and civil matter के तीनों फिल्म रिलीज हो गई. तो मुझे बिल्कुल अंदाज़ा नहीं था कि ये चीज़ हो सकती है, हादसा हो भी सकेगा मेरे साथ में, until this really happened. So, and then after, and then the whole atmosphere inside with this particular investigating officer wasn't good, because he was very cruel and he was very hard on me, and he just refused to listen. I kept on saying there's civil matters going on, please find out, this is not criminal. A 420 person does not stay in Bombay to make another 5 films, you run away. And why would I run away with 15-20 crores? I'm still in Bombay standing here shooting my film. Why would you run away with somebody's money? What did you find? Bungalows, cars, Jaguar, jewelry, trips, gambling, casino. What is found? We're talking about shopping. This is that you spend 6 crores. Do I have to open the names of the actors I have given gifts to? People, when you have a successful film, you really buy cars, you want to buy watch, jitna bhi aapka caliber hoga, you want to give people gifts, your actors, something on Diwali, maybe something on someday. But this has been like, whatever has been written in media, the accusation and the allegations are completely untrue. These are one-sided. I couldn't speak when I was inside because my family could be at risk. At that time, nothing bothered. But what was bothering me was that parents have to be safe. I die fine, but they have to be safe and sound. मेरी कोई और गलती की वजह से मेरे माँ बाप के ऊपर कुछ और नहीं हो जाए, because हम पिक्चर में देखते हैं कि पुलिस ऐसा कस्टडी होता है, कभी देखा नहीं, और जो पिक्चरों में देखा उससे डर भी लगता था. अजीब अजीब बातें सुनने में आती थी कि जेल में ये होता है वो होता है, तो बहुत दहशत बैठ गया था दिमाग के अंदर. एंड आई वॉज एक्चुअली like I thought maybe I want to just, I was actually finding ways how to kill myself, like suicide, because I didn't want to come back. But I then definitely seeing my father meet me there. I said, no, I can't do this. My whole family will die, and what will be? I'll be written off one day. Oh, मर गया, कोई और भी मर गया. कौन पूछता है मरने के बाद भी? So it's better I fight my, I have to have the willpower. I have to survive because my conscience is clear. I had no intention ever. I was a giver. I was not a taker. So मैंने पैसे की भी वैल्यू नहीं की. जो बोलता था, मैंने हाई प्राइस में भी शायद पिक्चर साइन की, बाद में पता चला ये प्राइस ही नहीं थे, ये नहीं था, बहुत कुछ हुआ जो मेरी बेवकूफ़ी की वजह से. बट ऑल हैपन आफ्टर परी. टिल द टाइम आई वाज वर्किंग विद अक्षय सर, इट वाज सो लाइक लाइफ वाज परफेक्ट, picture perfect. I deserved a lot. He also asked me to slow down, release one film, and after Padman, Pari, just slow down and take your time off, maybe learn a little more, understand people's experience, and just not jump into things without, too much on my plate. And I just loved cinema. I just thought that I can do it because I was not doing production. We were like more like studios which fund films and sell films and release films. So मैं प्रोडक्शन में कभी इन्वॉल्व नहीं थी. मैं कभी शूटिंग पे, खुद की फिल्म में मैं शूट पे नहीं जाती थी. मुझे था मैं और काम करूँ और मेहनत करूँ, मैं आगे बढ़ूँ. तो मेरा थोड़ा सा अलग सोच की वजह से शायद और गलतियाँ हो गई. So anyway, in front of the whole media, I want to just apologize, and I would like to say sorry to each and every individual if I've hurt them unintentionally, hurt their feelings. And they are all my seniors. Maybe I should have I had a temper issue. I was arrogant. A lot of people, when I came back, I heard a lot of stories that people were very happy that इसको सबक मिला, बहुत उड़ती थी हवा में, बहुत गंदी गंदी बातें सुनने को मिली. पर जो भी ओनरशिप लेना एक बड़ी बात होती है, to move ahead. So I think I want to now move ahead in my life and put this behind me. And of course, the delay, why I'm late here, it was so tough inside because nobody is allowed to meet you. So how do you come out? How's the access? There's no phone. You're not allowed to meet and talk to anybody. My father could meet me just for 20 minutes in a week. एक father को क्या पता? Because my family was not a part of the film industry. My mom was an auspicious woman. जैसे माँ को प्यार करता है एक बच्चा, जब कोई बन जाता है तो आप अपनी मम्मी को नाम देना चाहते हैं. तो जब रुस्तम हुई एंड क्रियाज तभी फॉर्म हुआ विद रुस्तम, I wanted my mom to be the signing authority. So she's a housewife, a homemaker. My dad's so angry that why did I even make my mom sign that she had to go through this such rubbish thing, and how to explain to the IO or to the judiciary that no, she was a housewife. But my mom trusted, never asked a question, she would just sign papers, and with Bhushan ji meeting her और वाशु जी, तो हमें इतना ट्रस्ट था कि पेपर साइन कर दिया. उसी में अगर मैंने क्लॉज लिख दिया होता वाइल वाशु जी कि अगर मैं कोई फिल्म ड्रॉप करती हूँ जो भी मेरे पास फिल्म है तो उसका पैसा मैं आपको खुद वापस करूँगी, तो शायद प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं आती. पर मैंने वो क्लॉजेस भी नहीं देखे, कोई वकील था ही नहीं जब हमने ये सब डील साइन किए. सबको पता है, माई कॉन्शियस इज क्लियर, एंड आई एम सेइंग दिस in front of the media while signing deals with T-Series or with Mr. Bhagnani. There was no lawyer involved. Yes, with Akshay sir there was lawyers because he's very particular. He is very particular. Like, it would take 6 months, but he would not sign a contract. He would not take any money into his account till the time paperwork was not thorough. Safety. He taught me that. And like I said, I'm the biggest fool on earth. After being trained with him, still you went ahead and I signed, I made my mom sign papers like left, right and center. तो ये यहाँ से गलतियाँ हो गई. और अंदर पापा के पास कुछ नॉलेज नहीं था. He used to come and see me, and I would see his face. I was only crying. My dad only said one thing: say sorry to yourself. You have hurt yourself, not me. फैमिली को तो सड़क पे तुम लेके आ गए, बिकॉज तुम मरोगे तो सब मरेंगे. तो एक प्लानिंग भी हो गया था कि क्या करें अभी, बिकॉज कोई, एंड मेरे पापा के पास किसी का कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर नहीं है, बिकॉज मेरे पापा इंडस्ट्री में सिर्फ स्क्रीनिंग पे आते थे. As a proud father, I would only introduce him to people at the screening, so he had no idea of anybody who to speak to, nothing. So he fought the battle for me. He got me out. He, like a father, जो films में दिखाते हैं, he is a real hero of my life. He always was. My mother who prayed for me, my little sister, Rishi, my friend, they all stood with me and made sure. And I believe in the judiciary, and truth will prevail. So now I'm out. I have my paperwork documents in place. I can now quickly find where my papers are, and I have the accounts. Everything is in white. Nothing was ever given in any other form. So सब कुछ पेपर पे black and white है. अगर वाशुदेव ने 50 करोड़ दिए तो उनको 35 करोड़ 40 करोड़ तो जा ही चुके थे पहले भी, शायद 30 तो पहले जा चुके थे. वेरी क्लियरली आई वुड लाइक टू क्लियर दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ फाइनेंशियल एंड इकोनॉमिक accusations made on me was not good. So from Pari he got the money, from Pramanu 11.5 crores, Sony gave him 10 crores even then. So when I spoke to the IO कि सर पैसा तो जा रहा है, ऊपर तो पैसा पहुंच रहे हैं, तो ये किस चीज़ के लिए आप मुझ पे, और फ्लैट तो मेरे पास है ही नहीं, तो आप सुन क्यों नहीं रहे मेरी बात. वो आदमी सुनने को ही नहीं तैयार था. ऐसे सिविल नेचर है, मैं उनसे जो भी है मैं कंसेंट साइन कर लेती हूँ. मैं तो दे ही रही हूँ, उन्हें केदारनाथ में ये हुआ, केदारनाथ में हुआ. मैंने केदारनाथ में क्या हुआ पहले पेपर्स तो पढ़ी उसके ठीक से. उन्होंने मुझे किसी से बात नहीं करने दिया. हाई अथॉरिटीज, द DCP, I wanted to speak to them and I could not talk to anyone. There was just no access given to me. So and however I requested my dad कि मुझे जेल भिजवा दीजिए, मुझे PC में नहीं रहना इस आदमी के साथ. I chose that please get me out of this PC because it was a torture of another level. I just couldn't handle it. There was a lot of things which I'll talk a little later once I officially take charge of few things which I need to do. That what happened to me was not correct, and I will definitely, I'm sure that now that I'm out, I have proof on merits. I'll succeed in doing that. So I requested my father send me to JC. It's better I was saved there. इतना डर बैठ गया था उस पॉइंट पे 15 दिन के, मैं पापा से मुझे बात नहीं करने दे रहे हैं, कोई आके मिल नहीं सकता है, मेरा फ़ोन ऑफ करा दिया है. मैं किसी से बात करी तो साथ में आके आप बात करें. मैंने आप वाशु से बात तो करी, वाशु जी से लेट मी हैव अ चैट विद हिम. No, there was something else. It was too evil for me to even describe. No words in the dictionary, entire dictionary could describe the pain and ridiculous time I've gone through. But I resorted to God. I prayed a lot. It was like I chose to believe that एक कोई भूकंप आ गया, earthquake आ गया और मैं कहीं फंस गई हूँ, and मुझे भगवान आके रेस्क्यू करेगा. So I only resorted to God. I started reading हनुमान चालीसा, भजन बली, शनि चालीसा, दुनिया के सब भगवान से मैंने अपना कहते हैं ना स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्ड बना लिया. I only had him to speak to and pass his message through him that just take care of my parents, give my dad the strength to get me out, else I'll die. I didn't want to die because my parents would die without me, and that's a fact. So my family was breaking, and that's a hurt, and nothing mattered to me. What media wrote about me didn't matter, because for me saving my family's life was more important. Coming out of that prison was more important, nothing else. So I thought I'll speak to you all once I'm out, because I could sit there and also send out statement through my lawyers, but I chose not to do it, because how do I, what do I say? What do I say at that point? I've let my parents down, and God gave me a very strong career. But again, I have the capacity. There are a lot of actors who supported me even today. As I came out, I spoke to few actors who really have been with me, and I'll resume work from Monday and take off my career again where I left it. 9 months somebody took away from me, but not my life. So I'm back with a lot of learning. It was very hard. My time, my clock has changed. I wake up at 5 o'clock. Which I don't think so वर्ल्ड में कोई मुझे वो करा सकता था. But I think इस जेल ने मुझे ये सिखा दिया, वैल्यू ऑफ मनी और फूड. जो मैं खाना वेस्ट करती थी, फेंकती थी, कभी सोचा नहीं था. इतना वहाँ पे गरीबी देखा, इतना मजबूरी देखा. Parents की value that we take our family for granted. We don't even meet them. I used to not even meet my parents sitting in Bombay, and then I would cry every second to be with them and touch my father or my mother or my sister. Speak to her. Just every smallest thing, the traffic outside would feel like being in Paris. इतना वो हो गया था कि कुछ दिखता ही नहीं था. जो कि कुएं के अंदर आप कहीं फंस गए हो, आपकी आवाज़ बाहर पहुंच रही है नहीं पहुंच रही, ये भी नहीं मालूम. And I just didn't know whether my father could get me out. because he had no knowledge. And how does my lawyer also access to my papers? Because your family only can give the lawyers the documents. Documents are required. So my father unfortunately had no clueless. But still, God's been really kind, and I'm really grateful to God for saving us, my whole family, from collapsing.
Prerna, you mentioned about that.
I have gone through the charge sheet
Sure.
what was filed. There are other companies like Gothic. एक फिल्म पे परमाणु में आपने ब्लेम आप पे लगा कि आपने उस फिल्म को 5 जगह बेचा है, कहीं 15 करोड़, 12 करोड़, 9 करोड़, जो चार्ज शीट में मेंशन है. We obviously charge sheet is
one-sided, yeah.
One-sided,
Yeah.
definitely. So what is the agreement with Gothic and the
Yeah,
other?
I'll have to tell you this
Yeah.
on record today, and that should be clarified once for all.
Yeah.
So when Rustam was an 85 crore film,
Okay.
Gothic entered, I met me at that point, and he invested only 5 crores first time, and got a credit of a producer. Okay, and I was a newcomer. When somebody comes into your company and wants to work with passion, that was showed. It was like you welcome them. So that was it. And then Toilet happened. Toilet again was a big project, as big as this number. And again Gothic entered and was he invested 10 crores in around 80 to 85 crore film. Again I'm saying it's an 85 crore film. Only 10 crores.
20% or 15%.
10 crores.
Yeah, but stake of 15%.
हाँ 15%. And but उस समय था कि came into loss and profit. But later there was some lot of interference which was happening, which was not like in my contract with Cape of Good Film. There was a clause where I never asked a single question. I just trusted and believed in Nakshisa completely. And because of me, I didn't want him to be in any kind of situation of awkwardness, that this is the person who maybe has a different approach. So then there was a different contract in between of Toilet Prem Katha where he took around, क्या बोलते हैं, कितना annum? Was 60% per annum.
Yeah.
60% interest, which I don't know becomes like 50 lakhs per month.
But then suddenly there was this resort also walked in during the making of Paramanu. There was
Resort?
some agency, traveling agency or something, .com, which
No.
was supposed to
Nishant, this is Make My Trip.
make my trip. Yeah.
No, Ease My Trip. Yeah, Nishant Petty. So he came in Fanne Ka Anandpati. He was never there in Pramanu. Never. Nobody was in Pramanu. Pramanu happened and released after Padman and Pari. So Hitesh Gothic was a part who I knew from Rustam. So we were working together. But I also chose to pay him that kind of interest because I was not thinking कि मैं खुद कितना पैसा कमाऊंगी. मेरी पिक्चर पैसा बना ले, सब पैसा बनाए मेरे साथ. तो मेरा इंटेंशन वो था. आगे पैडमैन में भी उन्होंने 10 करोड़ इन्वेस्ट किया, वो भी पैसा उनको मिल गया, पूरा का पूरा पैसा. पर जब उन्होंने क्या किया परमाणु में, और हमारे बीच में लॉयर्स नहीं थे लाइक ऐसा, आई ट्रस्टेड हिम ब्लाइंडली. सो कोई बेचा नहीं, बेचा होता तो फिर बहुत पैसा मेरी कंपनी में होना चाहिए था ना. देन व्हाई द केस ऑफ 30 करोड़ एंड आई शुड हैव, माय कंपनी हैज हैड अ टर्नओवर 250 to 300 करोड़. तो व्हाट वुड आई डू विद 15-20 करोड़? जब बेचते हैं 4 लोगों को तो पैसा आप अपनी कंपनी में ले लेते हो 4 लोगों से, वो तो नहीं आया कभी.
So the arguments which happened in court till 2 o'clock in the morning or 12:30 in the morning, opposite Justice Katawala, you were there.
It was a civil matter.
That was a civil matter, but that was also a stay not to release the film Parmanu, and then there was a stay got by Z to release the film. Which
We're talking
happened-
Parmanu. This is much earlier.
Yeah, much earlier.
Much earlier.
After which actually everything took off.
No, I think after Parmanu everything settled.
Settled, but settled.
Yeah,
What
but I
you went
quit.
inside, that was the settlement.
No, that happened now after Kedarnath.
Okay.
Pramanu mein to I gave off the film to Vashuji to release it, and I quit because John and me had differences about the payment. It was a 35 crore film, and there was a 5 crores gap, which I was not able to, like, because Pari also came together, Padman came together, so mera dates, Pramanu was releasing in December, by the way. It was before, and Padmavati was announced on the same day, which was 8 December, my birthday, to which I had to push Pramanu after Pari, to which John did not like that part also, and he was very strongly believed that Pramanu will do well, and I should have maybe gone with him and released my film on 8th of December, firstly. So problems वहाँ से आ गई थी with John and me. So there was nothing, and of course I went to court, by the way, because John...
You went to court.
I went to court because
They
John
went to
had,
court.
without our names of Z or without our credits, he just gave out the trailer. So I was responsible for Z because Z को मैंने music बेचा है, satellite बेचा है, they were my partners. So I was more responsible towards them that they should be fine. I lose or I don't earn money or I don't get the credit, doesn't matter. But I need to fulfill my responsibilities towards my partners, which I've always done. Always. None of them suffer. They all made money out of me. I think Gothic has been on 15 crores or maybe 20 crores from me. The kind of profit. I didn't earn a penny, I gave it off.
So they just still were asking for more.
If you can look into the center.
Because, sorry?
Yeah.
या बिकॉज इंटरेस्ट पे उन्होंने बोला कि एक इंसान जब साथ में काम करता है तो क्या लगता है कि शायद आपको कल उठ के एक और पैशन होगा उसके अंदर भी आपके साथ काम करने का, एंड यू वुड लाइक टू मे बी अंडरस्टैंड दिस आर फिल्म्स. या
Yeah, Prerna, all during this while,
Yeah.
your business partner Arjun Kapoor, and I think on the day, unfortunate day when you were arrested, and thereafter there was nothing heard for him. So, but why did he go absconding and?
Because there was an FIR on his name also.
There was an FIR.
Yeah.
But would you like to explain, that?
Where was he?
But police
Not
has
just where
been
was he?
searching him.
Yeah.
I don't know because I have not spoken. I had no access to anything, and neither when I was stuck inside did I ever ask my father that where is he or where is.
But somewhere you thought that you
Well, it
become
gave an
the
impression
scapegoat. You
perhaps,
should have been a party to it
yeah.
also, because you both run the company together. So you should have been a party to it. अकेले आप फंस गए अंदर ऐसे
नहीं,
लगा.
पर मुझे शायद उस बात का अच्छा लगा कि मैं अकेले में किसी मेरे वजह से या मेरे साथ में कोई भी वो दुख ना देखे. मैं फंस भी गई तो मैं फाइट करके आऊँगी, बट मैंने कभी ये सोचा नहीं कि कोई और भी फंस जाएगा. अदर मैं ऑलवेज प्रे करती थी सब सेफ रहे और हेमाटिक जल्दी से जल्दी क्लोज है, सब लोग safe and sound. I never thought like that. Like,
Did he have any role to play in the kind of mess that you ended up with, or he was just in?
we all working together. There was awareness, but see, whatever's happened is maybe it was a trap. Honestly, I don't want to comment and accuse people. I'm not here to blame people out here. Right now, I'm not opening too much because I've just come out of a big mess, and I'm here to now make friends, not rivals. Okay, so I don't want to comment on any of these things at this point. Whatever's happened, God's seen. Everybody has karmas. Like we all believe in karmas. We all know what will come back to you. So I leave it on God. अभी तो मुझे अपना पार्ट देखना है, जो मैंने अपनी गलतियाँ की उसको सुधारना है और अभी सही रास्ते को पकड़ना है. भगवान ने चांस दिया है तो उसको भी मुझे ठीक से पकड़ के चलना है.
Will you be getting back with him in terms of?
I have not spoken to anyone as yet. I just come back and I had to be with my family. I tripped my pujas and had lot of mannat to finish.
Since you mentioned that obviously your parents, they were not, it was unfair on them, to be aware of the legality.
See, अगर FIR नहीं होता उनके
Because the one
ऊपर,
person who perhaps could have access to the.
but अगर FIR नहीं होता तो definitely if he was around, so maybe things would have been different for me. Maybe he could have helped my dad, but everybody at that point would be fearful of what has happened to me. Nobody wants to be a part of the situation. Nobody would do that. अपना तो कहते हैं दुख में अपनी परछाई भी भाग जाती है दूर, तो कौन आपका साथ देगा? अपने माँ बाप के अलावा कोई किसी का साथ नहीं देता. दुख में कोई भी साथ नहीं देता. तो मैंने वो एक्सपेक्टेशन लकीली रखा ही नहीं था माइंड में. आई नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड ऑल दिस थिंग्स फ्रॉम पीपल. आई वाज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग हेडेड. आई नेवर वाज अ पर्सन टू बी इमोशनली इन्वॉल्वड. ही इज गोना हेल्प मी और ही स्टैंड बाय मी. नो, आई नेवर डिड दैट.
Obviously, there were many allegations that came with.
With connection to Mr. Arjun and Kapoor, there's been speculation that he was your fiancé or connected to you personally in some way, or was he just a business partner? Can you elaborate on?
No, he was not my fiance, neither was I seeing him. There was no personal relationship because I think 4 years we were together. Nobody asked this question or never asked and never was it written about it. No, we were completely passionately working together. He was a part of Kriyaj, creatively handling things and looking after things, but kabhi bhi no, none.
Yeah, Prerna, there were many allegations that was coming, but the one obviously which perhaps was very serious was a report which stated that you had multiple PAN cards.
No, it's completely wrong. False. Completely false. It can't be. So you have to verify it with the kind of offices and from the administration we have no proof of that. It was just, see, when I got stuck, जब मीडिया ने लिखा है सब बातें, किसी ने तो बुलवाया ना ये बातें. जब पासपोर्ट की 2 बातें हुई थी, मैं 2006 में लंदन गई थी, बहुत पहले. प्रियदर्शन की जो फिल्म थी भागम भाग, मैं उनके साथ तब मैं असिस्ट कर रही थी उस पिक्चर में. उसके बाद मैं कभी अब्रॉड ही नहीं गई हूँ. मेरा लास्ट ईयर ट्रिप लगा था पहली बार पेरिस के लिए, ट्वाइस फॉर फैशन वीक. दैट वाज आल्सो स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय क्रिस्टियन डियोर, particularly because Ms. Maria Grazia, she is the first creative director after World War II, was on board, and after Rustam they chose me to fly there after giving such successful films from India. So I was representing Dior from India, so I went there sponsored, and Dubai for Stardust Young Achievers Award. तो मैं 3 ट्रिप लगी थी. तो ये पासपोर्ट की तो कोई कहानी ही नहीं है. पासपोर्ट नंबर भी सेम है और वो बात तो ऑफकोर्स कोर्ट में तो मेरा पासपोर्ट जमा ही है, तो देख लेंगे ना. अभी तो अभी ट्रायल होगा तो आई विल प्रूव दैट चार्ज शीट टू बी कम्प्लीटली फॉल्स. चार्ज शीट इज कम्प्लीटली बोगस. I said it day one, while fighting, my lawyers fought the case and we were very clear that the charge sheet and every accusation made in the charge sheet is utterly, totally untrue and false. Very clearly. This is a civil matter. पैसे का लेन देन था, मैं मना ही नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैं दे ही रही थी सबको, भर भर के ही दिया पैसा सबको. दिया ही, लिया तो नहीं अभी तक. मेरा भी बहुत पैसा मार्केट में पड़ा है, बहुत कंपनीज में, एक्टर्स के पास. मैंने तो वो भी क्लेम नहीं किया. जब मैंने पापा को भी बोला कि जब मुसीबत का टाइम है, प्लीज टेक द मनी, नो आई डोंट वांट टू क्लोज डोर्स फॉर यू. यू कम बैक एंड डू योर वर्क योरसेल्फ. आई विल डू व्हाटएवर आई हैव टू डू ऑन माय ओन. at this age your father goes through so much of shit and rubbish paying lawyers. It's not easy. Nothing works without money. Nothing moves without money, by the way. So the charge sheet is completely wrong. And वो तो क्या charge sheet तो कोई भी आयो ही बनाता है ना. उसको तो आप ट्रायल होता है ना, केस तो 7 साल चलते हैं, 5 साल चलते हैं, आप विटनेस करके प्रूव कर देते हैं. तो अब मैं खुद बाहर आ गई हूँ, मैं अपना सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स खुद दिखा के सब प्रूव कर सकती हूँ. एवरी एलिगेशन पे हमारे पास आंसर है. जब शॉपिंग की भी बात हुई थी, क्रियाज के PR एक्टिविटी के लिए बिल्स है फ्रॉम गुची और डियोर. आई हैव गिवन lot of presents to lot of actors during promotion. So what is that? तो मैं और मेरा क्या, मैं रिटार्ड हूँ, मैं साइको हूँ, कौन हूँ? तो मैं अपना गाड़ी लूँगी, फ्लैट लूँगी, या मैं पहले शॉपिंग में 6 करोड़? आई मैं लाइक complete retard? Which person would do that? Tell me that. Which sensible individual will actually put 6 crores into shopping जिसका कोई रिटर्न नहीं आता है, बट वो अपना गाड़ी नहीं लेगा? मेरी कंपनी में कार नहीं मिली, जैकवार नहीं है, मेरे पास BMW नहीं है, मेरे पास कोई फ्लैट नहीं है, ज्वेलरी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. शॉपिंग क्या मेरा पंचनामा किया उन्होंने? हाँ, परफ्यूम्स हैं. आपने देखा कि 10 साल पहले से मेरे पास कितने परफ्यूम हैं? जब पैलेडियम मॉल खुला था, प्लीज गो टू बर्बरी फर्स्ट. आई डोंट नो व्हेन पैलेडियम केम टू बॉम्बे, आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर, बट आई रिमेंबर माय मॉम वुड गेट मी अ ट्रेंच कोट इवन देन. आर यू रियली डूइंग रिसर्च? डू इट प्रॉपर्ली देन. प्लीज फाइंड आउट.
प्रेरणा, आपने कई बार कहा कि बहुत से लोगों को आपने गिफ्ट भी दिए.
जी.
आप किसी का नाम भी लेना चाहेंगे और हम जानना भी नहीं चाहेंगे.
जी.
Do you agree it's a selfish industry?
Yes.
और औरतों के लिहाज से it's not safe. जैसे जो आपने आपके परिवार में भोगा और जो पीड़ा उन्होंने माता पिता ने झेली.
जी.
Do you agree with this? और as you said, you share a very good bond with अक्षय.
जी.
क्या उनसे बात हुई आपकी? क्या वाशु जितने लोग इस पूरे, और कुछ आपने बंद लफ्जों में कहा कि जिन लोगों को ईगो हर्ट हुआ.
हाँ, मैंने हर्ट तो किया ईगो काफ़ी लोग का, मुझे मालूम भी है कब हुआ. और जो मैचेस लगाने का काम बाकी लोगों ने कर दिया, बिकॉज राइवलरी तो होती है. व्हेन देयर इज कंपटीशन, देयर इज पीपल डोंट वांट वुमेन टू सक्सीड नॉर्मली. एंड आई वाज जस्ट दिन में आई तभी था कि अश्वनायक जैसी गिरेगी. ये कब गिरे, इसके पीछे कब फ्लॉप हो, मुझे हर बार ही पता रहता था कि हाँ, मेरे बहुत वेल विशेस तो नहीं है, मुझे लड़ाई अकेले लड़नी है. हर बार मेरा कंपैरिजन अश्वनायक से ही किया गया, चाहे कितने भी ट्विटर्स मेरे लिए मेरे फ्रेंड्स एंड मीडिया ने बहुत अच्छा लिखा. मीडिया ने ही मुझे बनाया, मीडिया ने ही गिराया, फिर मीडिया ही बनाएगी जब मैं अच्छा काम करूँगी. बिकॉज उस पॉइंट पर ऐसा आ गया था, किसी मीडिया ने भी उसमें ये सच जानने की कोशिश नहीं की, सिर्फ एलिगेशंस लगा दिए, विच वाज रियली हर्टिंग. बिकॉज बट आई डिडंट केयर. आई सेड नो, इट्स नॉट ट्रू. इट्स अ ट्रायल. आज लिख रहे हैं, कल मैं क्लैरिफाई करूँगी, वो सुनेंगे मेरी बात और मैं आपको आके सच बताना चाहूँगी. और सब कुछ पेपर पे. इफ एनी क्वेश्चंस, I am ready to provide my documents to you all. So I'm not saying this because I'm sitting here. I am ready to share all my documents here, and you all can please go through all the accounts for what, because if Vashuji invested into Kriyaj in white, my money has gone to him in white. So there's a calculation. He's not invested 100 crores. He must have invested around 40 to 50 crores total, and out of which from Pramanu, Pari I'm repeating, and again Sony had paid him 10 crores already. So what 420 was that? What is 420? When you refuse कि मुझे किसी का पैसा नहीं देना, even for that Gothic, if you're refusing, I can understand. जब आप दे रहे हो तो क्या, लड़की हो तो आप एक्सप्लॉइट ही करोगे, लेते ही जाओगे मुझसे. हाँ, लेना ही छीनना ही है. कभी देख नहीं रहो कि इसको कमाने दो, मेहनत करती है, पैशनेट लड़के करो. खड़े हो गए सिर्फ लेने के लिए. हाँ, आपने पेपर पे साइन किया था. हाँ, आपने भी तो कहा था कि कोई बात नहीं है, आप बाद में जब बन जाएंगे, चलो इस पेपर है, आप साइन कर दो ट्रस्ट पे, हम समझते हैं. किसी ने ये तो नहीं बोला, वही पेपर पकड़ लिया और पैसे ही लेना. आज अच्छा, जो भी मैटर हुआ, घूम फिर के क्या बात हो रही है, कोर्ट में क्या बात हुई, पैसे देने हैं. करेक्ट, पैसों पे ही बात खत्म हुई ना. पैसों पे एग्रीमेंट हुआ ना, पैसों पे एग्रीमेंट होगा आगे जाके. जो भी पेंडिंग अमाउंट होगा वाशु जी का, व्हेन आई सिट ऑन अकाउंट्स, आई विल लुक इनटू एवरीथिंग. आई एम रेडी टू पे व्हाटएवर पेंडिंग अमाउंट इज, इवन इफ इज लेफ्ट. आई डोंट नो कितना जा चुका है, काफ़ी जा चुका है, बट जो बचेगा वो भी मैं रिटर्न करने के लिए तैयार हूँ. कंसेंट करके कोर्ट में मैं जमा करूँगी जो भी है. कभी मना ही नहीं किया था. बात तो हो रही है कि मना करो तो 420 हो ना, मना ही नहीं करो तो 420 फॉर व्हाट?
Are you in touch with Akshay?
I have not spoken to him as yet, because I've let him down. That I'm extremely ashamed that with the kind of career I started with, and after the warnings that you do एक पिक्चर बनाओ, ठीक से करो. अच्छा काम चल रहा था, बहुत अच्छी से पिक्चर बना रही थी. I was working on very good films, social subjects, and I was proud of. I'm very proud of Padman as well as Rustam told it, but I've let him down, I think.
What next? Though you are here back.
Next is that I have got support of. I have good stories in place. I was always creative. I had always this talent of making and working on good cinema, and I will continue to do that. I want a second chance to work and get back to my career, and I will resume work next week.
What about the you had a associate?
You will start afresh now totally, or you will join again with those five?
Revive your.
जहाँ पे कल छुट्टी थी,
Yeah.
अभी बात हो रही है. अभी देखते हैं कहाँ से मुझे पिकअप करना है, विच एक्टर के डेट्स कहाँ पर है अभी. आई हैव टू जस्ट वर्क दैट आउट. बट ऑफ कोर्स आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रेश फ्रॉम नाउ, starting with, and of course I'll see the placing of those old films. Where is it lying? Where is it? Because it all depends on the actors' dates. We have lost a lot of time. We were about to shoot, so I don't know right now. I will talk to everyone, and I've spoken to them, but obviously they did not come and first ask me, कैसे कब करना है. पहले about my health, and you just out of a shock. I'm still under shock, and I hope I'm talking sense right now because I don't know. I'm still not. Oh.
क्या
You had a
क्या
lot of money at
मानते
stake during those projects.
Sorry.
You had a lot of money at stake during those.
Yeah, we lost a lot of money. We lost a lot of money. Nobody cared about that money. All the pre-production was done, actors were paid off, we were about to just shoot in January. There were 3 films. Nobody cared. Who asked me about that money? What about the losses on the music? I've suffered a lot of losses on music. What about that? लॉसेस किसी ने नहीं देखा. जो अच्छा काम किया वो देखा ही नहीं. जस्ट सिर्फ ये जो पेपर में आ गया 30 करोड़ 20 करोड़ 1 करोड़, बस उसकी बात कर ली. लॉसेस कभी देखा है? एक प्रोड्यूसर जब पैसा लगाता है उसके ऊपर कितना स्टेक होता है. There was such watertight contracts, you have to pay back the money. When, sorry for example, like Pari, it was a very content-driven film. I had sold the music for a certain price, but later I had to pay back the money to Zee. Because we did not deliver that kind of music which they wanted. The songs were not required. So that's why Anushka and Ganesh really felt the need that it can't be commercial film. It should be done like complete justice too. So I let go. But I had to pay back that money. I paid them the complete entire amount, the acquisition deal with Anushka's company. I paid them the money. Did I get the money back? क्या हुआ कि चलो आपने लॉस किया तो आप 2 करोड़ वापस ले लो. कोई वापस करता है? प्रोड्यूसर को कोई लॉस देखता ही नहीं है ना.
प्रेरणा, क्या आप मानती हैं कि अब आपके लिए और ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि जितना सब कुछ हो चुका है अब तक?
जो लोग जानते हैं मुझे डीपली और जो अच्छे से जानते हैं, मेरा नेचर जानते हैं, उनको शुरू से मेरी हरकतें मालूम थी कि मैं बहुत बेवकूफ़ इंसान हूँ. मैं तो खुद ही बोल रही हूँ कि मुझसे बड़ा बेवकूफ़ इंसान शायद भगवान ने बनाया नहीं होगा. तभी मैं वहाँ पहुँची. इंसान अपने कर्मों से ही पहुँचता ना. गलतियाँ ही मैंने की है ना. तो अभी मैं जो सीख के आई हूँ, विच विल नाउ मेक मी अ बेटर पर्सन. आई एम श्योर दैट नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू ऑफ अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. Million times I'll think before taking a step. And there are people who know me in and out. They are ready to work with me. Yes, I have some support, good support of very good actors who will come and start my films very soon.
The last one from my end. Do you think it's an unsafe place for a female producer?
I don't have an answer.
You have.
I don't have an answer right now.
Rina, talking of when you announced the press conference, for the last few days there's been speculation that you might have some revelations to make about Mr. Akshay Kumar and Mr. Bhushan Kumar with whom you work with. कुछ खुलासा करने वाले हैं. इसके बारे में कुछ?
No, none. I never had that intention. I have complete respect for Akshay sir. He's been, I have immense respect for him. So no way, this thought never came. And neither for Bhushan ji. There was nothing between him and me. Rather, we were working together. And we knew, as I have told you exactly, that yes, I wanted to speak on the accounts. Like there were accounts की और पैसों की बात बहुत उठी थी. तो मैंने जैसे आपने भी पूछा कि वो बात क्लैरिफाई करनी है कि पहली बात तो मैटर सिविल था और क्रिमिनल इसमें कुछ था ही नहीं. और मैं जहाँ पहुँची मुझे वहाँ पे पहुँचना नहीं चाहिए था. और मैं वहाँ पे डिले हो गया तो क्यों डिले हो गया?
Court settlement because 9 months is a long time for a civil case. But we've seen people have been accused of murders and they've got bail instantly.
Yeah.
So I think that was one surprising thing that.
As I said, it was a big handicap from my family, and I could not say much or demand much from my father, who was doing too much already. So it was better to go in court and outside में फिर कुछ नया हो जाए, फिर पेपर वर्क नहीं बने, कहाँ से क्या करेंगे, कोर्ट में ही बेटर था. तो थोड़ा सा डिले हुआ, स्लो हुआ, बट एटलीस्ट आई वाज श्योर कि अभी मैं बाहर आ जाऊँगी कभी भी. एंड मुझे सिस्टम में ही ज़्यादा फेथ है. सब कुछ सामने खुलासा है. कुछ भी फिर बाद में कुछ और में पापा कुछ गलत कमेंट करके आ जाए, उनको नहीं मालूम है. जब बच्ची अंदर होती है तो इंसान कुछ भी इमोशनली कर सकता है, कह सकता है. तो वो मुझे नहीं लगता था, हमें करना था. हमने जो भी था कोर्ट के सामने ही कंसेंट करने को रेडी है. कोर्ट के सामने ही हम लोग जो भी है कोर्ट के सामने ही करना बेटर, सेफ है. सॉरी जी. That answer only I can give. What can I say?
Also, you had announced 3 films with Kashish. So, what about those films which you had announced?
So initially, while being there,
Yeah.
5 elements. There was Mr. Prakash and Kashish and Arjun and me. So the point was, at that point they sent me a letter which they wanted an NOC from me because the dates थी shooting की immediately, and मैंने happily उनको दे दिया because मेरी वजह से किसी का काम नहीं रुकना चाहिए. But now that I spoke to them, this film is like right there, and maybe I might revive it depending on now how it goes, the dates and the weathers and everything. So I met my director, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah.
किसी एक शख्स का नाम आप बताना चाहें who stood by you इतने बुरे वक्त में भी खड़ा रहा, especially from the Bollywood.
Mr. Sanjay Dutt. Sanjay sir.
As of now, Prerna, where is your case standing now?
अभी लाइक वाशुरी के जो मैटर था तो उसमें तो काफ़ी पैसे जा चुके हैं. अभी मैं आके अकाउंट्स में बैठ के जो भी मैंने बोला पेंडिंग होगा वो हम लोग कोर्ट में जमा कर देंगे. जो भी चार्जशीट है वो चलेगा और चलना भी चाहिए. मैं तो खुद ही चाहती हूँ कि मैं केस को लड़ूँ ट्रायल्स पे. मैं देखा हूँ कि मैं ट्रूथ विल प्रिवेल. आई हैव फुल फेथ इन अ जुडिशरी सिस्टम एंड यू नो दे ऑल नो, पीपल नो, यू नो द पॉइंट इज पीपल अंडरस्टैंड, पीपल नो दैट हु इज इनोसेंट, हु इज बीन ट्रैप्ड. सबको इतनी समझ आती है, कोर्ट को भी आती है, सब समझते हैं इस बात को, किसने किसको क्यों फंसाया, कब फंसाया, क्या राइवलरी है, कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा, कोई तो है. अब मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के खुलेआम ब्लेम कर दूँ और फिर वापस से कंट्रोवर्सी में फंसूँ और फिर मेरे पीछे 4 दुश्मन और खड़े हो जाए, मुझे वो चाहिए ही नहीं. बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं राइवलरी ज़रूर है इसमें. कोई है जो even for with Vashuji and me, there was a huge communication gap. Now that I hear stories that I was not talking to him. What if I just flew down to London at that point and just maybe said sorry to him? Things would have been better. But people were not allowing me to speak with him. And there's a huge gap. There was a mediator who was talking between him and me when things were going on. And I always felt deprived that I wish I could tell in my heart that no sir, even if it's Kedana, let it be, I'll make it up. Let's do something, a better film right now. जाने दीजिए, अच्छी फिल्म है, रिलीज होने दीजिए उसको. You understand? पर उनको कुछ और लगा. बट काश वो बात मैं उनसे कर पाती तो शायद ये सब बुरा टाइम नहीं आता. तो कम्युनिकेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्पीक आउट एंड टॉक. कितनी में मेहनत लगे पर आप बात करो. Even when Pramanu was going through all this, you know, I just reached John and I reached out to John myself, like keeping all the ego and all the shit because I cared about the movie and I told him कि I'm ready to quit. Let Vashuji take over my share. मैं हटती हूँ, आप पिक्चर रिलीज कर लीजिए. मैंने कभी भी इस बात को अटकाया ही नहीं कोर्ट में, कभी भी नहीं, किसी भी फिल्म को नहीं. आई लेट इट रिलीज बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ पीपल्स लाइफ डिपेंड ऑन अ फिल्म. अपने सेल्फिश रीजन के लिए मैंने किसी को कभी अटकाने की कोशिश नहीं किया. दैट्स व्हाई ऑल द फिल्म्स आर रिलीज्ड. नन ऑफ द फिल्म्स व्हिच Kriyash touched has been shelved or hasn't released. Why has it released? Tell me that. कुछ तो बात होगी. कहीं तो कहीं सिविल मैटर में भी तो जज ही देखते हैं ना, तो कुछ तो होगा ना. पिक्चर पे स्टे क्यों नहीं लगा? गौतिक ने पिक्चर रोका क्यों नहीं? फिर वो इंटरेस्ट का पैसा था. हाँ, कॉलेक्ट जो आप किसी के साथ करते हैं उनको ये भी चाहिए था, साइन कर दिया. वो मेरी गलती है कि मैंने भरोसे पे साइन कर दिया और इतना बड़ा परसेंटेज भी दिया. फिर भी इतना पैसा होने के बाद भी उनको लगा कि नहीं, उन्होंने पिक्चर रोकने की बात की, मैंने तो नहीं की ना. मैं तो पैसा दे रही थी, उनका सारा प्रिंसिपल जा चुका है. अगेन ऑन रिकॉर्ड, ऑल द प्रिंसिपल मनी हैज गॉन टू एवरी इंडिविजुअल वेरी क्लियरली. what is remaining is interest or like whatever they call profits. Without seeing the kind of losses I've also gone through. So nobody actually understood that, you know, कि इस पिक्चर में पैसा नहीं बना है, सब छोड़ देते हैं, नेक्स्ट पिक्चर में बनाते हैं साथ में. तो साथ देने वाली तो बात कभी थी नहीं, सबको सिर्फ चाहिए ही था. And of course, and my employees treated me very clearly in my company, and I will definitely look into it a little later. That lot of misuse of paperwork, you know, and people were like very corrupt. Because being a female, I really had a very bad experiences because I trusted a lot of people blindly. And as a woman, you know, sometimes you don't use your brain, you go up with your heart. So I trusted people blindly, and that's my biggest mistake. So I have to now understand that use your mind. हार्ट को यहाँ पे काम करना है तो पहले तो दिल के अंदर जितनी भी इमोशंस है उसको ख़त्म करके आप काम कर सकते हैं मैकेनिकली और टेक्निकली. बिकॉज सब कुछ मैकेनिकल ही है, कुछ इमोशनल है ही नहीं. और ये बात सिर्फ मेरी बात नहीं है, हिस्ट्री बोलती है कि दुख में या जब प्रॉब्लम आता है कोई किसी का भी साथ नहीं देता. कोई भी किसी का भी साथ नहीं देता, किसी की लाइफ में भी, सबकी लाइफ में. यहाँ पे वी ऑल हैव स्टोरीज टू टेल, एवरी फेस हैज अ स्टोरी टू टेल. None of us can say that, you know, or vouch for a kind of guarantee from someone. There are very few people who stick by you, stand by you, who believe in you. But industry is a place where everybody looks into their own. सबको अपना आगे अपना देखना है. कोई किसी के पंगे में या प्रॉब्लम में तो आना ही नहीं चाहता. बिकॉज फिर मीडिया भी लिख देती है. अगर कोई आपकी हेल्प भी करना चाहेगा और अगर मैं किसी नाम बोलूँ भी कि उसको चाहिए था, तो फिर ही भी रिटर्न अबाउट, फिर एक नई स्टोरी आ जाएगी, फिर एक कुछ नई कहानी जन्म होगी, कहाँ तक बचेंगे. तो लोग अपना नाम देना ही नहीं चाहते, डरते हैं कि क्या बोले हम लोग, like Prem, everybody stood with me, all my directors, everybody was with me. I used to get messages through my lawyers and this, they're all waiting to me to come out, you know, and every person waited for me. Lot of well wishes, lot of support, lot of love, lot of journalists on the media also. So there are.
संजय दत्त कैसे रोल में आए कि उन्होंने आपकी
I was working with Sanjay sir, and of course he felt bad. He's seen, you know, he's aware of things. He was aware of things. So definitely, he's always been a very kind human being. I think Sanjay sir is very kind and very approachable, and he understood the pain of my father. Maybe he was in touch with my dad, and he always supportive, and he was just there as a well wisher. And few more names, but I don't want to like talk about them, so I don't want this to be a headline now. So to begin with, because I don't want any kind of publicity, this is a press conference where I wanted to clear the air, that no intentions were clear. I was never there to do things, otherwise I would have made lot of things and run away. बहुत बहुत पैसा था आया था मेरे कंपनी में, बहुत पैसा आया था, मैं आराम से चली जाती थी. होता है ना जो फ्रॉड करते हैं, कंपनीज ऐसी भी हैं यहाँ पर बॉम्बे में कि पिक्चर के लिए पैसा उठाते हैं, पिक्चर कभी बनती ही नहीं है. हज़ारों ऑफिसेज हैं यहाँ पर और पिक्चर खड़ी नहीं होती है, बनती नहीं है. उनका पैसा जब डूबता है फाइनेंसेस का, मैं सोची थी वो लोग बेचारे इतने अच्छे होते हैं क्या कि एफआईआर ही नहीं करते हैं. तो मेरी किस्मत ही इतनी खराब थी. कितनी बिल्स नहीं बन पाती, रिलीज नहीं हो पाती है, कितना लॉस होता है. तो उन सब के ऊपर एफआईआर तो नहीं होती है. फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में तो मिलजुल के समझौता होता है. इफ आई वाज अ मैन, मे बी थिंग्स वुड हैव बीन डिफरेंट. I released once. I really felt, and I never played the women's card. When Me Too came, I wanted to talk a lot. Maybe somewhere I had something to say. I almost approached somebody to like talk about it, but I withdrew. Then thinking that again people will say publicity kar rahe. You saw what happened. How was every woman also been spoken about कि ना publicity के लिए चीजें हो रही है. तो कहाँ बोलेंगे? Platform कहाँ है बात करने का? It will all die. People, you know, next day, you know, the news is stale. Justice never happens. And at once, when things were really getting complicated inside, because my father was not able to understand that how the fuck should I get out of the jail? I'm sorry for the language, but today I really feel like saying this word openly, that how do I get out? I really thought that, you know, I told my sister, approach the media, open the accounts, and I already spoke to a journalist, and I said, let's do a media trial. शायद मीडिया की आवाज़ प्राइम मिनिस्टर तक पहुंचेगी, मैं पहुंचाऊंगी अपनी आवाज़. मैं ऐसे हारने वाली नहीं हूँ, बिकॉज ये अकाउंट्स की बात हो रही है ना. मेरा बैंक स्टेटमेंट ले लो, आप लोग चेक कर लो कि मैंने कितना पैसा लिया, कितना दिया है, वो तो क्लियर हो जाएगी. अगर आज मैं क्लियर बोल रही हूँ कि परमाणु से वाशुजी को 11.5 करोड़ मिले हैं तो मिले हैं. जी आके मुझे तो नहीं बोलेगा मैं फॉल्स नंबर्स बोल रही हूँ. या परी से कितना वाशुजी को मिला, या पैडमैन से उनको 10 करोड़ रुपये सोनी ने खुद दिया. दे आर बिग कंपनीज, सो आई एम नॉट जस्ट सेइंग numbers like this. This is my money. Padman was mine. The investment was by Kriyaj. So they distributed, and the money had to come to Vashuji. But Sony took a little while. There was some time which, you know, Sony just did not give the money. Time लगता है पिक्चर रिलीज होने के बाद, पैसा कलेक्ट होता है, प्रोसेस होता है. तो उसमें जब आपका एफआईआर मेरा हुआ भी था, जब मैं फंस गई थी, तो भी सोनी में मेरा पैसा पड़ा हुआ था. एंड वो भी मैं अपने आयोग को बोल रही थी, सर आप देखिए पैसा वहाँ पड़ा है, आप दे दीजिए वाशुजी को भी. मैं तो रेडी हूँ, तो उनका ही पैसा है, तो मना ही तो नहीं हुआ था ना. सबसे दुख इस बात का कि I never denied it. Had I denied it, I'm sure that I should have deserved this punishment.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Thank you.